सो हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम श्वेतांक एंड आपके सामने क्या है? फिनिक्स। अब फिनिक्स क्या है? अन अकेडमी का नया इनिशिएटिव। नाउ व्हाट अन अकेडमी हैज डन इट, देखो बहुत सारे लोग हैं who are really interested in doing something in the edtech field, that is education technology का जो कस्प है उस पे काम करने के लिए, and that also is to be a great educator, to be able to teach other, okay? एक एक अंदर से आग है कि करना है कुछ, और उन लोगों को सही डायरेक्शन कैसे मिलेगा। अन अकेडमी एक नया एक पूरा प्रोग्राम लेके आई है जिसमें अन अकेडमी विल बी सेलेक्टिंग पीपल, विल बी गो दीज पीपल विल बी गोइंग थ्रू अ होल प्रोसेस। इस प्रोसेस से होगा क्या? इस प्रोसेस से होगा ये कि दीज पीपल विल देन ऑन बिकम अ ग्रेट एजुकेटर, द एजुकेटर विच इंडिया नीड्स, द काइंड ऑफ टीचर्स, द फैकल्टीज, ओके, दैट इंडिया नीड्स। और सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग चीज क्या है कि इसमें आप अगर पार्टिसिपेट करते हो, सो यू विल बी गेटिंग अ चांस टू बिल्ड योर ओन ब्रांड, बिकॉज जस्ट लाइक आई एम इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, you can be front of the whole world, okay? You'll be given a chance to build your platform, your own brand, okay? You'll be given an opportunities to network with all the peers all around India, okay? Take the chance, take an initiative, charge of your own future in your hand, okay? And along with that, what extra we're getting is the financial independence, okay? So all the people, for you all, the Unacademy is bringing this new thing, new program that is called as Phoenix. The whole idea of learning, unlearning and relearning. Why Phoenix? So Phoenix is because Phoenix actually is something which represent the whole cycle of rebirth, okay? Starting from zero and making things again. And that's what a educator, a good teacher, a good faculty is always ready to do, to reorient himself or herself, always ready to take chances, taking a new challenge in front of him or her to make sure कि बेटर कैसे करनी है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग सिर्फ अपनी नहीं, जिसको चीजें समझानी है स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, ओके? एंड दैट इज व्हाट नॉट ओनली अन अकेडमी बट इंडिया नीड्स, एंड that's why An Academy is taking this thing on their own, that एक नई बैच बनाएंगे, there will be 100 of you people, okay, who will be participating in this Phoenix program, okay? There will be a whole 12 weeks long program, and it will be mentored by the best educators who already have experience of working with an academy, okay? It will grow your reach, it will provide you new transformational changes in your skill set, okay? And it will help you to shape your own future. You'll be able to build your brand, as I just told you. You'll be, at the end of the day, you'll also be getting your financial independence. So ye sari cheezein, all these things will be in your own hand, okay? So what the whole program is about, agar kisi ko participate karna hai, is pure program ka part banna hai, to how it will all grow, that's the base important thing which everyone will ask. Now, as I already told you ki pura program will go for 12 weeks, okay? So the first 1 to 4 weeks will be something where you will be given the information, the technical expertise, okay, the technical knowledge, how to work in the ed tech field, okay, the roadmap, the journey ahead from the 5th to the 8th week. That is the next part 4 week, okay? In this we'll emphasize on research and learning, okay? Because the idea is, when you are in the ed tech field, okay, and you are an educator, you always have to come up with something new, okay? And in the sense that you have to be very strong on the research part. You have to keep learning what is happening in the current world, along with having a base ground of what happened in the past, to make sense of everything what is going on, okay? So that is where will be worked on. You, everything will be planned in such a way that work will be done on that portion. Then from the week 9 till the final ending portion, okay, it will be more goal oriented. And once your pedagogy has been more evolved, honed up, okay, the last part will be to look into how you are oriented and planned along with the working with an academy, okay? So this is the whole plan which will go for 12 weeks, okay? Now the next portion, once you get to know that, okay, what you will be going through for, if you are selected for the whole process, the next thing is how to even participate, okay, how to get involved in the whole thing. So look, there are 4 rounds. Okay, first, second, third, and the final round. So the first round is very simple. All you have to do is you have to make a 10 minutes video. Okay, now, in this 10 minutes video, there are certain details which I'll go through in the next slide. But the second round, once you pass through the preliminary round, that 10-minute video thing in which you have to give you have to explain about yourself in the initial 5 minutes, and the next 5 minutes you have to go through any topic of your choosing. Okay, in the next part, the round two will be more interview based. Okay, it will be a more interview based session. The round three will consist in such a manner that you have to make a 45-minute video, a proper class. Okay, a proper session where you'll be explaining a topic in far more detail, in depth. This is basically to go through about your pedagogy skills. Okay, how good you are in making people understand things. Okay, कितने अच्छे से आप लोगों को चीजें समझा सकते हो. Okay, आपकी reachability, आपकी penetrability in the mind of the listener, in the mind of the watcher. Okay, उस पे फोकस किया जाएगा. Okay, and the final round, once you have gone through all the 1, 2nd and 3rd round, Unacademy को एक आइडिया लग जाएगा. Okay, you are very good and you are capable. Now what's next? Now the next thing is the final thing that Unacademy will just look in ki whether you are aligning with what Unacademy is processing. Okay, what Unacademy's vision is while taking up this whole thing will be you'll be analyzed, and your far ideas, okay, your future plans, if they come close and align with Unacademy's plan, you'll be selected through this process. Now, if you are planning to apply for Phoenix, make sure, look, there are 10 different sections for which you can apply. You can start application if you want to teach for school students, 6 to 8 standard, 9 to 10 standard, 11, 12 standard. If you want to provide classes, if they want to teach to students who are preparing for JEE, Joint Entrance Examination, or NEET, okay, UG level, or you want to teach someone like UPSC Civil Service Examination as I do, okay, or you want to teach someone for GATE examination, state PSCs, okay, CET examination, that is bank, SSCs, all those examinations, as well as for the CA examination. All the sections are usually covered. So whatsoever field you are coming from, there is something always for you जो Unacademy उसका ध्यान रख रही है. ठीक है, अब if you are selected, अब bonanza क्या है, prize क्या है, क्या मिलेगा? So अगर आप select होते हो through the whole, you complete the whole process, you get selected after the 3 months process. Look, Unacademy will provide you a 1-year contract with Unacademy. Okay, with an annual grade CTC. Okay, now understand this thing very well. Okay, people are here who are ready to be on the Unacademy's platform without even getting paid, because it opens plethora of opportunities for them. Okay, it opens plethora of opportunities for them. And here is Unacademy giving you assurance because a year contract, and along with that, opportunities will be there because you'll be visible. Okay, you know the importance of visibility in today's day and age. And the final thing, annual CTC, that is extra perk. So you can always remember कि जब पैसे कितने मिलेंगे, ये बस perk की बात है, बाकी benefits के साथ. So there is something very good in the kitty. Okay, so let's move forward. Look, here's a list of the educators who will be guiding you through the whole process. So as you can see, Anand Mani is there, Ankit Avasthi is there, Siddharth Arora, Dr. Siddharth Arora is there, Namo Kaul is there, okay, Mahendra Singh is there. All these people are there who are best among best, who have experience, they have wide experience, they know how the system, how the things work, they are excellent in their pedagogical skills. Okay, so you'll be getting an opportunity to learn from them. That's the most and the best important part. After this, you need to understand that who should apply for this Phoenix. Okay, now if you have questions, so first one is like why and who can apply for Phoenix. That's the most important thing. So as I told you already कि कोई भी anyone जो कि ऐसे situation में काम करना चाहता है, that have the inner fire in the belly वाली चीज, ठीक है, to teach, to educate, okay, those people can surely apply for this thing, that the whole plan. Now the another question is कि भाई experience चाहिए होगा क्या, do I need some experience before applying? So देखो, Unacademy एक चीज Unacademy ने बहुत अच्छी की है. Unacademy always in the field of democratization. ठीक है, अब democratization का सबसे बड़ा फायदा क्या होता है कि if you have, as I was telling you, कि if you have that enough fire in the belly, so उसके आगे पीछे की कोई बात नहीं होती, ठीक है. If you have that enough fire, you are dedicated कि I will learn and I will have that skill set to make people understand and listen. Okay, this place is for you. Understand this. This place is for you. You don't need anything else beyond that. Okay, so do you need any prior experience? No, you don't need any prior experience. All you need is that capability, okay, that thirst, that yeah, you want to do it. Okay, do you need what will happen and how do I get accepted to the program? That's the next question. So all you have to do is, as I told you, the 4 stages, you have to follow it, you have to apply. Okay, so if you are a recent graduate, okay, or you are a working professional, this is something you should think about, because you know that this is how the future is going towards. Okay, now have do I need to prior experience in teaching online? As I told you, experience की importance नहीं है. It's all about your pedagogical skills. Along with that, whether you have that inner thirst, ठीक है, वो रिसर्च करना, ठीक है, वो कैपेबिलिटी लोगों से इंटरैक्ट करने की, इफ यू हैव दोस थिंग्स, नथिंग एल्स रियली मैटर. ओके, बाकी सब कुछ हो जाता है. ठीक है, सो डू यू रियली नीड टीचिंग ऑनलाइन एक्सपीरियंस? नो, यू डोंट नीड टीचिंग ऑनलाइन एक्सपीरियंस. दैट इज व्हाई द फर्स्ट 4 वीक्स आर फॉर, ओके, कि आपको वो टेक्निकल एक्सपर्टीज दे दी जाए ऑनलाइन टीचिंग की. What is the duration program? As I already told you, 12 weeks. What are opportunities after this program? So assurance क्या है? सबसे पहला assurance ये है that 1 year the whole thing Unacademy will provide you, and after that I can assure you there will be plethora of opportunities. Okay, I can tell you from personal experience, you don't have to worry for those things. Phoenix ka program, as I told you, there will be a batch of 100 people. 12 weeks the program will go on. Mentors will be iconic educators who are already working with Unacademy. Okay, what you will be getting? Okay, so you'll be getting access to alumni network, interacting with all the top educators who are working in India. Okay, first hand experience, that's also very important thing. Okay, you'll be able to chalk out your career map. That's excellent thing to be done, and you will be successful because you'll be provided a chance to make your personal brand. That's basically, I think most of the people here know कि वो कितना important है आज की day and age में. Okay, financial independence, again and again I'm mentioning it, that is also very much important right now. Okay, और आगे बात करेंगे. So how you do this? So once you go, okay, on the link below this video, okay, you'll be taken to the page where you can apply. ठीक है, अब उस पेज पे जाने के बाद once you click okay let's start, so you'll be getting on this pop-up menu on the side thing. Okay, another important thing, you have to get it done before midnight on October 2020. Okay, so अभी आपके पास आज को लेके 20 दिन है. ठीक है, now let's start. जैसे ही यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे you can start the whole process. ठीक है, as I told you, you have to make a video of 10 minutes and it is suggested कि आप अपना वीडियो लूम पे बनाएं. Now आप कहेंगे अगर लूम क्या है किसी को नहीं पता है, so that's a website about which I'll give you just I'll explain it in the next few slides about that, कि अगर आपको नहीं पता है तो आपको कैसे लूम पे एक अकाउंट बनाना है. So what you have to do is you have to make a 10 minutes loom video. First 5 minutes will be dedicated about yourself. Okay, you take minimum 5 minutes, you explain about yourself, who you are, why you should be given that opportunity कि आप Phoenix program को join करें, and the next 5 minutes you explain something, you somehow show your teaching skills. Okay, show कि कोई एक टॉपिक लें, वट एवर टॉपिक, करंट अफेयर, हिस्टोरिकल, इकोनॉमिक्स, साइंस एंड टेक, और मैथ्स एक्सप्लेन करें. ठीक है, और सोशल स्टडीज और biology, geology, whatever you are feeling comfortable with, any topic, anything, just explain for 5 minutes along with your 5 minutes initial intro. Okay, in which you will be focusing on why you should be given the opportunity. When you do this and submit, that's all you have to do. Okay, अब for those people उनको पूरी बात समझनी थी, it's done. For those people who don't know about Loom, now let me tell you a bit about Loom also, जिससे आपको दिक्कत ना हो. देखो सिंपल सी चीज है, गूगल पे जाना है, loom.com सर्च कर लेना है. ठीक है, loom.com खुल जाएगा. दिस विल बी द फ्रंट पेज. ओके, गेट लूम फॉर फ्री करके लूम अगर आप इंस्टॉल कर लें, विंडोज iOS जैसे भी. ठीक है, और अब लूम के अकाउंट में अपना बना लें, और लूम के अकाउंट में आप जैसे ही अंदर जाएंगे आपको पहली ऑप्शन मिलेगा रिकॉर्ड अ वीडियो. देखो राइट है. ओके, ऑन द बॉटम देयर इज रिकॉर्ड अ वीडियो ऑप्शन. ओके, अब रिकॉर्ड अ वीडियो देखो राइट साइड में दिख रहा होगा, अब रिकॉर्ड अ वीडियो पे क्लिक करो, रिकॉर्ड अ वीडियो स्टार्ट होगा, जैसे ही वो स्टार्ट हो obviously as I told you 5 minutes का intro video and then 5 minutes explanation video in a single thing. Okay, initial 5 minutes you will do the intro and the next 5 minutes you will be explaining a specific topic. That's all you have to do. Video, record the video, submit on the platform on the website, and you are all set. Okay, so do this. This is a very good opportunity. I get lot many requests, you don't know. As many as students contact me for their queries. There are many a time when many of people contact me just asking me, so how to get on the platform as an educator, how to join an academy. Okay, so in sari queries ka simple sa solution hai this thing, because believe me, if you are coming through Phoenix program, not only you'll be in an academy but also you'll be learning a lot more. ओके जो हमें सीखने में समझने में हमें भी टाइम लगा, वो आपको एक सिंगल शॉट में वो सारी चीजें अवेलेबल करा दी जाएगी. सो इट्स अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी, यूज इट, टेक इट, एंड या दैट विल बी ऑल. थैंक यू.